It's been rough since I started, but it's okay. Pretty much got one more trade left. Hopefully, you get this in the bag. This is my chart, and then just a downtrend. Same account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losing days, 1 winning day. So you just get into it. Here a little late, but here are my levels today, and we'll talk about more about my trade yesterday. Once I get going here. Alright, so what happened yesterday is price shot up pre-market really high. I think in the 800s it was pulling back in the morning, came to major resistance. I wanted to retest the major highs, which was I wanted it to retest this area and go long from here, shoot back up. Well, I was trading what I thought would happen, but I wasn't trading what was happening. What was happening was a downtrend, a clear downtrend, and I'm trying to buy this market. Where I bought was a perfect area to sell, pretty much. I actually was calling a trade up here for a sell, and if I play it right, I'm getting 100 plus points easily on this trade. So what I'm going to try to do today is just continue to work on myself. And now I just thought about it yesterday. It's like, I'm going to try to have a focus of trading what I see, not what I think. Okay, so what am I seeing, not what I'm thinking. Okay, so as of right now, okay, what am I seeing? What's happening? Oh, well, on the 1 minute, there's higher lows. We got a low here, we got a low here, we got a low here, and so far there's a low here. That's interesting. Okay, well, higher lows. It looks kind of like it wants to go up, but we have this big area where it dropped off. So I'm not going to be longing into this because there's a big supply right here. Okay, so we're not going to do that. But I'm thinking if it ends up breaking this low right here and coming back and rejecting, I'm going to go in short and I'm going to target at least today's low. Okay, so that's my trade for the short. For the long, I kind of want to wait till it gets over today's high, but to see what happens. 5 minutes to wait for trade. It's 2 minutes left. See what happens, but ideally what I would like is for it to break this uptrend, come back, stall right here, and continue lower. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's the short position. The long position would be to get above today's high, and then because above today's high, I'm targeting the major resistance area. So we'll see what happens. Let's see. So let's see. It's consolidating on this downtrend. So today could be just choppy in this area. We'll see. All right, first 5-minute candle formed. We'll see what happens. Red, red, red. Reds. Okay, let's see. My stop would be above here if I got in. All right, let's see. We got red, red. What am I seeing? Oh shit, market's tanking.
Order filled.
There's one red. Market's going down. Okay, market's going down. I'm selling. It's under my level. I'm going on a downtrend. We'll go to today's lows. What's today's lows at? Oh, perfect. All right. As we're targeting, let's do 30. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens on here. I want a continuation down. All 4 of them are red, so that's all I can do. The big 4 red. Nvidia is tanking. Microsoft is going down. Apple's going down. Amazon's going down. Like, I don't know what else to do. It's gonna break.
Bears are happy with how that reached up to 30 money equal of that guy. Yeah.
It's gonna break those lows. Make out. Got got some sellers coming in. Let's see what the tilt is. 63% short. I need this to fail. I need to go to lower. We're battling right here at my level. To do this to break. Got some green now coming up. Okay, now they're trying to come up pump. Let's see. $30. Well, I was trying to. Let's see. So what's a 35-point stop for me? I kept it 15, 25, 35, 45, 50. So let's put that down here so I know. Of course, it's messing around here. Let's go. Let's go lower. We gotta break this cleanly. There we go. Got some spike up though. The video's going down still. Microsoft is about to come down. I don't see why long should be taking over right now, to be honest. This definitely looks like a short situation. There we go. Just bouncing from 300. I'm at 5-minute level right here, so it's kind of a demand that it was on the 5-minute. This isn't the best, but it's not the worst. If we're targeting the lows of the day, like let's go. We need to break this right here, which is we need to break like 8. Let's put it right here. We need to break 88. No. also need to break that level right here. Push through. Okay, look, it's starting to look better. We need Apple to tank from this level right here. We need Apple to tank all 4 red again. Like all the big 4 red again. 5-minute close. Yep, 5-minute close. There we go. I don't know. It just keeps on bouncing from here. But no. As long as you need to get out of the position for sure. That you know it's going to the low of day. Got that bounce from that demand that I was thinking about. But let's see. 28 doesn't mean much if. Okay, let's see. I need to. If I'm gonna get stopped out, I need this thing to play like that because I don't have anything to work with. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. That was a strong move, but lower high still in the 5-minute. Lower high in the 5-minute. We got there we go. It's under the 90 MA. It's crossing over. That has to be a fake out. That had to be a fake out. They're buying it up down here. That's interesting. Why don't you want to go to low day? We got all this junk right here that we need to get through. But we got Nvidia under the 9 and 20. We have Amazon under the 9 and 20, Apple under the 9 and 20, and Amazon above the 9 and 20, but it's red. So the strength doesn't seem there. It's looking short. I wouldn't be going long here. I wouldn't be going long. Let's see. This is the only thing right here, Phil. I can go lower on this one. So we needed to break 90. Oh, the big slap down. There we go. There we go. Great. Buyers at the same area. We got buyers in that same area. 3 down. We got exactly the same area, 86. 86 held again, which is that demand. that 5-minute demand. It's working for a little bit, but if it goes again, it should push through. Let's go, sellers, push this thing through. Come on. There we go, a little bit. There we go. Now we need to get past. Then we gotta get past 73 and we're in the clear. We get past 73, we're in the clear. Market is looking weak. Like I said, there's no reason for me to sell or to buy this market. I mean, another buy up right here at 73. Let's see. All right, there we go. Tanking. Now this is where this is my trade right here. This is my trade. I'm gonna make sure pushes the low day. That's it. That's all I'm asking, the low day. I'm not gonna get greedy. I know market's tanking. I'm just not gonna get greedy. I need to secure this way. I just need this thing to continue lower. I need it to start breaking this. Once it starts breaking, then I'm clear to the daily low. Today's low, I put it my TP a little higher because I don't want it to bounce directly off of today's low. What did I put at 29.90? Okay. I'll go 34. All right, that's fine. We should get continuation down. Like I said, it's probably going to slap today's lows and continue lower, but I'm looking for shorts are still on. They're still, the big four still short. You got a little struggling right here. Okay. It's a pullback. It might pull back to here. If not, that's fine. I don't need to pull back. I need to flush through. I need to flush through. And we'll see. Let's, stop 35. Doesn't feel like it should be higher up there, but we should be going lower still. This is where it should be stopping right here. Alright, here we go. Under the 9, stay under the 9. We need to break this wick. So if I was going in short, I had to make sure it breaks this wick and then go in short. If I was going in now, that was the pullback. And then you go now. You're going short now. You're going short now, and you technically maybe have your stop above here. Maybe. Nvidia's tanking. Still, Microsoft is kind of trying to go up a little bit. Yeah, we're good. See the tilt? 62% short. The average price was 21,285. I got it at 21,314. So I need some follow through here. Three, 4, 6. Mm-hmm. Alright, we need to flush down. I'm messing around here, which we're kind of doing, but the bar is still down. Everything's still down. We needed to break 50, and then I think we get a flush down. The only thing about 1 minute right now is this failure to go lower for now. So we'll see how that plays out. But in either case, I'm still sticking with my guns, and like you have to now get through all of this. All of this you need to get through, which is 280. You bear flag, right? Nvidia is trying to pump up now. We need salvages to come in. "35 seconds." Like I said, failure to go lower on the 5-minute is not the best. But we need a strong close on this 5-minute candle. We need to push down. Here we go. There we go. Break, 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 break. There we go. Big four looking good. Come on. Continue, continue. Push, push, push. Oh shit, what the hell? $7 o'clock. You couldn't just pop like that down? Like, come on. Just gotta stay patient. Just, like I said, this is my train. NVIDIA is struggling still. It wants to go higher. The big four are kind of green now. I want to talk about going on till. Missing my TP target by 5 pips, being up 80 pips. It could be a fake out though. I'm not ruling that out. There's news. Oh shit, there's news. Oh yeah. Consumer sentiment. It went up. Consumer sentiment. Screw me over again. Let's see. Since I got a good entry. A doji 1 minute is good. It's exhaustion. And at my level. Alright, let's see what happens. It needs a break. Now the big four in green now, of course. But let's see. NVIDIA is still below the 9 and 20. Amazon 9 and 20 are below. Yeah. And let's see how big this move was when 7 o'clock happened. It was a 67-point move. 2 minutes. Failure to go over. Like, big four look good now. Of course. Alright, let's see if the 20 EMA holds in the 5 minute. If not, screwed. Mm-hmm. Like, I haven't seen that happen all week long. The last 2 weeks, it never just goes right below the low, like right before it's supposed to hit. Never. Or the high. It never just goes right before the high. It always passes it, always touches it, sweeps it, and then continues. Like, this is bullish now. Like, there's nothing. Like, I had a 35-point stop. Let's see. 35-point stop. I think it's hit. Like, I don't know what else to do. That news messed me up. Straight up. Well, if I get stopped out, this account's cursed. 35 points would have been almost so far. I don't think I hit 35 points. I might have hit it barely. And of course, if it was, then I stopped out and tanks, right? That's how it's going to go. You know, everything's green now. At this point, just hopefulness, right? But everything's green, everything's pumping. Yep. Let's see, 34. 34. Well, it's stronger than 50. Yeah, there's no way this trade works out. 30, okay, 35. But I got stopped out of my position. I got stopped out for 35 point. At this point, just push through. Like, there's 30 right here. Why would I choose 40? Like, just to choose 40? Like, it's frustrating. I'm struggling right here, so that's good. And this is not good right here. The pump through. That's it. Like how unfortunate is that? Look at this. This is so dumb. How did that happen? Well, I know how it happened. Uh, it just sucks. Let's see. It sucks. It's not. I didn't read. Like, there's nothing. It's worked every single time, and now it doesn't work. Well, like I said, I think that's from. Okay. I'm sure it gets stopped out right now. I'm already past my drawdown, I think. Mhm.
Order filled.
This is insane. Alright, here's my P&L. This is just horrible. Today is just super unfortunate. I was up $800, going for $50 more basically, and yeah. Read about blogs. Let me share this, copy the link. I'll share it to my I'm gonna share this stuff to my Gmail account. Compose to P. I need to screenshot this. Let me see how I screenshot this. What was it?
Are you done?
Yeah.
You're trying to sell.